Directions. Look and repeat. This is Lee. Rice. Banana. Juice. Fish. Apple. Milk. Beef. Lettuce. Tomato. Milk. Listen and read. Lee. This is Lee. Number 1. Lee eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. She eats rice and a small banana. She drinks juice. She eats lunch at 12:30. She eats fish and an apple. She drinks milk. She eats dinner at 6 o'clock. She eats beef, lettuce, and tomato. She drinks milk. Now open your notebook. In your notebook, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write yes or no. Listen, write yes or no. We'll do the first one together. Number 1. Lee has breakfast at 7 o'clock. Lee eats breakfast at 8 o'clock. So, no. So, we are going to write here, no. Now, listen and write yes or no. She eats rice for lunch. Write yes or no. Number 3. She has a banana for breakfast. Write yes or no. Number 4. She likes juice and milk. Write yes or no. Number 5. Lee eats dinner at 6 o'clock. Write yes or no. Number 6. She eats tomato, beef, and lettuce for dinner. Write yes or no. Now on your paper, write again 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to write the time next to the number. So listen and write the time. We'll do number 1 together. When does Lee eat lunch? Look at number 4. Lee eats lunch at 12:30. So number 1 is 12:30. Don't forget to add the 2 dots here. So 12:30. Okay, listen and write the time. When does Lee eat breakfast? When does Lee eat breakfast? Number 3. When does Lee eat a banana? When does Lee eat a banana? Write the time for number 3. Number 4. When does Lee eat dinner? Number 4. When does Lee eat dinner? Write the time. Bring this paper or your notebook to school tomorrow and I will correct your paper. If you need to, listen to the story again and do the work. Bring your notebook to school tomorrow.